Got the hinges set up, and I tried taking this like 10 seconds ago, and it was like upside down, which really confused me, but I took out some duckweed. Doesn't look like much, does it? Want to see what it was? And that big piece of dead jungle bough. Right here, you need to literally push to get through the duckweed. I could actually probably pick all this up. Watch. I'm not even, look, I'm holding it by this little area right here. I can't even find the word. The roots are like tangled together and matted together. And you gotta be kidding me. Look at that. It's like a monster. Yuck. That's gross. And it's all warm. It's like a dead something. I could probably it would take me hours to get all this out. I mean, seriously. It's not actually that thick here, but I mean, looks all that's not slime. That's the roots. So that's the roots, not slime. It's pretty darn gross, if you ask me. Oh, this is a piece of wisteria. If it survived floating, I'm just going to leave it there so it can float and then grow bigger. More freaking, like, crap. Gotta go. See you guys later.